What would you do with this? Why would you need an egg masher? And does this thing really open jars? Stay tuned and let's find out. The first thing we're going to look at is this garlic zoom chopping gadget. Once I've removed it from the packaging, you can see it's got a couple of wheels, which rotate these gears and spin these blades inside. The whole outer edge of this plastic casing opens up, which gives us a better view of what's happening. And if we line up the blades vertically, we can slide the whole assembly out of the casing. This makes it easier to clean, but we can also get a better look at how it works. As we spin the wheels, they turn the gears, which spin the blades. These pass through a fixed comb at the bottom, and anything trapped in there gets cut up into bits. Once we've slid it back up into the casing, we can place a peeled clove of garlic inside, close the doors, then take a firm hold of it, and roll it back and forth across the worktop. After a few seconds, if we take a look, it really does appear to have completely sliced it up. To empty it out, we turn it upside down and tap it a few times. Then go ahead and open the doors. There does seem to be a fair bit left inside, which we could get out by removing the blades. But first, I'm actually going to try it again, but this time I'm stuffing inside 3 cloves. Let's see how well it handles it. I gave it a good roll back and forward, and it looks like it's worked well. I emptied it all out, and it really has shredded it all into nice usable pieces. I'm impressed. The next one we're going to look at is this garlic appeal. It looks like quite a clever gadget, so let's give it a try. So first of all, the top opens up, and we have this cutting deck here, which we can also remove for cleaning. In the top, there's a press for squeezing the garlic clove through the blades, and there's also a removable plate for cleaning out any stuck garlic. The idea is it chops the garlic and pushes it down into this drawer for easy collection. I did notice on the label there is actually supposed to be another compartment here on the bottom to house a silicone peeler. However, mine got delivered like this, so I guess it got lost somewhere when packaged. So I'm just going to peel a clove of garlic the traditional way, by slicing it and peeling off the skin. If you do want to peel numerous cloves quickly, you can drop a few into a glass jar, screw the lid on, and give it a good shake. After a few seconds, you should find all the skin has been knocked off the cloves. This method can be nice and quick, and help to stop your fingers smelling of garlic. So let's try out this press. I placed a clove on the blade, then firmly pushed down on the top. And it appears to be stuck in the blade. But when I lift the pusher back up, and push it down again, most of it fell down into the drawer. Then I removed the cleaning plate. I did find there was quite a lot of garlic squished in here. It had made a really cool lattice, almost like a waffle. I tried again with another couple of cloves, and it seemed to work pretty well. When we remove the drawer and see what we've got, again it's pretty impressive. Perfect for cooking. Here's another garlic gadget. They call it the garlic press, and it's far more simplistic than the other two. Here's the press. They've given us a little brush for cleaning, and this is a silicone tube for peeling garlic, like the one we were missing. To use it, just poke a clove inside, then place your hand on top and roll it back and forth. After a few seconds, you can empty it out, and you should find the clove has been peeled. Pretty cool, huh? So let's try out the press. It feels very strong and good quality, and the idea is we just roll it over the top while pushing down. I am having to push with a lot of force. But finally, it all pressed through. And if we take a closer look, you can see it's really crushed it nicely. Again, perfect for cooking. It's a really good tool. Next I'm going to take a look at these 3 different jar opening gadgets. The first is this clever sort of handle. It's got 8 different hole sizes to cater for different sized lids. And the idea is you find the right size, then squeeze the handle so it tightly grips around the lid. We've now got loads of leverage for undoing the most stubborn of lids. It's really simple, so easy to use, and you can even use it on plastic bottle tops like on this Coke. The only annoying thing I found was it's not got quite a big enough hole to do these really big jar lids. The next one we're going to try is this interesting looking thing. Mine came with this little bottle opener, But we're interested in this. It's this clever jar opener that, as you rotate the handle, it squeezes the drawer tighter onto the lid. It's a cool mechanism and it feels well built. So let's try it out. I'm starting with this jar of pesto because the lid is really tight. And one of the great things about this gadget is that it automatically adjusts to the lid size. It's got a comfortable handle that you can get a really good purchase on. And there we go, it's undone the lid. The metal drawers tighten onto the lid the harder you turn it. It does seem to work well, and I love the way it automatically adjusts to different lid sizes. The next one we're going to look at is this one. It's a long rubber strap attached to a handle with a toothed grip section here. And it works the same way as an oil filter wrench for your car. The rubber belt slots down into a channel in the handle, and we can adjust the size of the loop at the top. Pull it back through to tighten it around the jar lid that you want to open. Then use the handle for extra leverage to undo the top. This gadget is brilliant. It's basic but robust and very well made. It's probably a little bit more fiddly to set up than the other gadgets we looked at, but you could use it for a whole host of different things, including plumbing applications, or even things as small as bottle tops. The next gadget we're going to look at is this smashy egg press. It's this kind of orange handle with a hinged press plate that squishes down into this cup, the same sort of design that you can get for garlic. So the idea is we peel a hard-boiled egg, then place it inside the cup, and I'm going to mash it into this bowl, make sure the plunger is lined up correctly, then give it a squeeze. And out comes the egg. Oh, look at that! It's like loads of little strands of mashed up egg. I'm doing another one. It's really satisfying to use. Just cut the strands off at the bottom, and we've got this amazing bowl full of shredded egg. Perfect for making egg mayonnaise. Just squirt in a load of mayo, mix it in, add salt and pepper if you like, and it makes a delicious simple sandwich filling. The next gadget we're looking at came in this box. When I unwrap it, you can see it's this kind of chick egg cup thing with a hole in its mouth. And it's actually designed for separating egg white and yolk. Does it work? Let's find out. I cracked an egg open and emptied it in. And I'm going to pour it out into this bowl. Well, look at that. The egg white all runs out of the mouth and leaves the yolk behind in the cup. So we can tip that into a separate bowl. Perfect for your cooking recipe. I'm impressed. That has worked well. To see more cool kitchen gadgets like this fun egg cracker, take a look at my other videos. There's links in the description. Have fun, stay safe, and as always, thanks for watching.